Chief, thank you very much for bringing me out from that prison. Chief, honestly, indeed, now I see the reason why you become the Okarile of this our ghetto.
Oh, wow.
Chief, you be good person. You be good man. I think say my life don't finish for that prison. I don't even believe say me, Amadi and Yangbon will come out from that prison. Chief, I suffer. I suffer. See me now, see my hand, see. I can't just surprise say among people who do that prison, now only me you come and say you want to work with me. See, Chief, I save you till I die. Thank you very much, Chief. See, anybody make point for your matter, will tell them, see, no swab who. A blood like the pea.
I like your spirit. You know, the way you talked motivated me the more. And I'm encouraged. I want you to keep this up. And you enjoy yourself. Ask him, he's aware, he knows, he can tell you more. I am. You will enjoy yourself. And Mark, you'll be paid salary. So, let's enjoy ourselves. Take him to his room.
You're welcome, bro. Welcome to the room. Everywhere good, you're 100. I'm gonna show you to your room. I'm gonna take you. What did happen?
Alpha, we want to see that man maybe say me, he did that left hand side.
Call that fat thing come out for us.
Alpha, come at you. You see the slow.
You want come out, you see the slow. You see the made the call, you see the slow.
Yeah.
God. You never start to talk, you want the crack on. You the day guy. Now what the day for you?
I say and say you get mad very well. But you don't hear that story where they say Matt with the talk. You get where you go reach, you'll cut and come out.
Me want talk, Smally, calm down. Allow me talk. Why did you stop me?
What gave you that audacity to stop me?
See, when I not forget to say me Matt.
Easy! For the first say we don't observe you. We don't observe you for years. You know me say we the mates. You know me say we don't wear. You know me say we stupid. Show him the talent.
Me tell her.
Or you have even with J. Onyemiri Ovigbo. What do I know that have every man? Who born you?
They don't know. Let me tell them now.
See, I let you know. You know, you know if you tell they talk.
Easy. I've tell you before, say me, I know they like shoe. You know why? Because shoe they pay me for my leg. See, be like see this so what you want to do for this ghetto? For my good day,
Double.
How you feel,
They say na pikin. Me no know mama boyfriend, Now they call her brother. They yarn me. You they get my lens, Abi. You don't understand me.
Oh, if I this man they yarn no.
Get up there. I did it.
It is said that just because the lion and the hyena eat meat in the forest does not make them human beings together. I say you are prepared. Especially you.
I see all this now 2020 naira juju.
Say make I tell you one thing. Oh, this na 5K. Now who get and the runner?
No man.
Oh yeah, now see una say una sharp. Oh yeah, na mo see am.
Afa carry that your 12 come here. All those one are 12 now. Eze, una mind no go touch ground for this ghetto. Oga gwipe. E go kwa e. Change the game so. You smaller.
If we get time for now, man, good day. Alpha, no disembark.
Easy. Easy.
More your freestyle this one.
Let's go. But you go tell una. For this ghetto, me and Matt. I say me and Matt.
Chief, What did they suck now? You just come and make us day here. I don't dey here for some time now. You know they talk anything.
Amadi.
Chief. Chief, man pick the carry the gun.
Yes. Amadi.
Chief, but this is how you dey give me gun. Hey, I don't understand. Wetin I want to go use.
Amadi.
Chief.
I want Striker down. I want him to stop existing.
Striker. Chief, how many striker will get here? I don't understand. I'm not striker there outside though.
Amadi, you keep saying you're strong, yes or no?
Chief, now me be Amadi and Yagbon. We be here do pataki here wa here.
Drop Striker. I believe you. This is your first mission.
Oh, Chief, which crime striker can commit like this?
Nice question. Nice question.
Striker?
I would answer with a question. Yes or no? Are there two captains in a boat?
Chief.
You want Striker to drop you? Are you game or not?
Chief, I go run am.
That is good. But Amadi, remember, Striker is smart. So, be smarter. I need to go to the club. I have something better to do there.
But wait, I know if you carry out this assignment today now. Where Chief go want kiss Striker? Where? With this Striker? Cinema. This is you still get mad. You see me, you still show.
The reason why you carry me from computer business, so it's sharp. What if you update me? I want to know.
Striker, I want to ask you one question. So you know, say even the holy book talk and say there is a time to be born.
And there is a time to die.
Banga, Uwadiae. And that's the holy book talk and say there is a time to cry and there is a time to celebrate.
See, Amadi, you don't see the price now, way. Marshal me flow.
I want you understand, say, nothing lasts forever. Everything gets expiring date. Now me be Uwadiae Yagbon.
I know.
I'm always no who can work on vada. So man, no wakaru no yagon. No swab who. Na blood, na ETDP. Striker, I want to show you something. Striker.
No worry. Amadi, I mean, they carry 12 for. You fuck up. They not tell you, say, man, mad. Yeah, you get juju. Amadi. Oh. Tepa. Oh.
Amadi, never my name. Striker, I dey very sorry. Now, Chief, next time you get warrant. Sorry, bro.
You come up for prison, now you're away boy. You gonna walk for me, go ma onyemiri for your own father's land. If you way, I'm not doing anything. Oh, you don't even tell it.
See, I've been tell you before, say, man, I don't like shoe. You know why? Because shoe they pay me for my leg. My inner chest that they tell me, say, man, this cannot be Benin person. Because I feel like that is shame for you. I the PV and I the shame for you.
See, ma tell you something. My name be Uwadiae Young. Asoro.
Amadi.
Oriri.
And my name is Raymond.
Castle.
And my name be that.
Make I ask you now one simple question. You know what Akba? Uwadiae. Veru Uwadiae. Mi agira me inehoe. Where una papa dey? When they say my own father go there, kid come. Where una dey? For this ghetto, where una dey? Where una fathers dey? When they kill my papa, years ago when they kill my beloved father, Uwadiae mi aye sigbera he. Because of that reason, I go prison. I go prison. My father will promise me life, but I'm not gonna get that good life. Will promise me again. I enter prison. Now I come outside now. You try to find me a joy. You know they worry me. See, my turn on one thing. I know the fair tribal war. Show you the guess so. Whether Eze Bunafo or another person or Igbo man or another person they rule this ghetto, it not concern me. But I want to let this one know to una be say, Mona tell una father, una mother, everybody for this ghetto say anybody will no loyal to Eze Bunafo, you go collect.
Ero biemwe.
I'm not saying. I'm away no work and work cover that. So I make it get big lip to cover that mouth.
Ero biemwe.
O bona we come go put her na head na the put her.
Ne o my dey kabatika o. Ah. Just see our brother. Amadi emekwe.
The thing they pay me, say, man, now the same man, me want to take leadership for one. I they work follow.
Fuck up.
Hi.
My boss on the be swear. Make everybody metete. My matter be like Wogeko, I dey gum everywhere. I go mad them edge to edge, step by step, and I go see pack the information come. I know how they be. You go I me castle. You go you sharp. Best way dance bad, when play bad beats. Now bad dance steps. Now they dance for long. Any I be, you go be am.
Igwero.
Yeah, that's all. Give me money. Who they sacrifice? No, they say they get. Yeah, give me money. Yeah, give me money. Yeah, give me money.
Posse même me ho na imagine we. No e work yan gbo e. Imagine we.
Later, what is later dinner? Afa. Hey you man. Oriri. I be now.
After the bowling just now, I see Empire.
Empire. What you play?
Empire relate to me, say, man, he want me to say, man, we'll come together.
Empire. You see the food when this guy wants serve so? Pepper dey for this food. Asoro, you don't say normally me I get ulcer. Ulcer and pepper, they are two no dey work out together.
You know, say no they like you. Because you they pepper me for my leg. But this food me this guy wants serve so Afa, he wear shoe.
Oriri.
And my name is Ceremony be that.
You know get it go big pass. This one a sharp deal and very good offer. Even if pepper did this food, we go chop am. She dey get me so. We go chop am.
If Empire make me the wear shoe. At the end, they come focus up. And blood overstain, no.
Really? We go chop am.
Don't try am o. I say make you no try am. How far? Where the money? I said bring out the money.
You dey play?
I dey talk to you. Where you drop the money? I don't understand. Why you dey smile?
Hey. So you get mine. Lock my smally. Say you want carry kala. So you don't gather mine like that, abi? Fear don't take your eye again. Empire, abi? Fear don't take your eye again, abi?
Make I tell you something. The first say man dey stand a peace. Don't me say woman no fit stand peace.
Not be all woman be woman. I use my God to beg you.
This security area is becoming too much. Eh? All these people don't terrorize the whole area. Eh? Wait, yes. See them. People.
Or I use beg to God you. If this kind of thing happen again, I will finish you and your small granite.
What are you looking for? Now you attack. Where are you going? Don't freeze!
It's the police!
Yeah.
Hey, where you? Come down, make I dey see your face. You no fear. Where I go, we go. Where we? Omagba where dey? Omagba. How you be this? See your face.
Well, go for it. Let me know what I say now. What will be the meaning of all this rubbish? Una dey block Amadi way. Una dey block Chief Ezebuna for messenger. I wanna know the repercussion. Ezebuna for agbe no keko dey or agbe no keko here. As I look una so, when I pass for me make I pass.
Babes, fire.
Okay. Area what say? Area say. See, now. Oh, I'm your say. I go let you know today, say, now son, they control the body.
Amadi. Put it back, put it back.
That's why.
Not to kill it, I beg. I saw it. You know see the talk.
I no go fit, Mama.
I saw it.
Mama, I no go fit.
Wetin dey cap now? Wetin dey cap?
Guy, why you rush?
I know that, so wetin dey cap?
Guy, calm down. Why you rush?
Una wait. I saw it. You have to understand one thing. Amadi na do be our enemy. He don't go join Chief Ezebuna for. We be say you know me and you know wetin dey sup. Edo Boyz now. They fight us. So, my dear, you have to rethink. You have to change your mind. Forget about Amadi. You have to take your revenge. I mean, okay. You don't know say na kill your papa. Na kill your papa.
Mama, I don't go feel live am.
I don't understand though. What's in the camp? I don't understand.
Guys, why they calm down? Why they
I don't calm down. What's in the camp?
Why I go lose hope? A Benny does it fire. Tell me why me I go look cold. I know be newcomer. You gotta tell me for the game, bro.
See, Mama, my Leona know one thing, eh? From today henceforth, you see all those Edo Boyz, more than not pay any bills, give them again, any dues. You go near that collect in here, and I'm not going to give them any money again. I'm not they talk. You dey hear me so, Mama? Just tell your fellow market women. Say, Amadi say, Chief Ezebu na for talk, say, na he dey rule this ghetto. May they not try and give any Edo Boyz money. Waga damwe. Ha, who go there, go see there, oh. Now, Chief Ezebu na for, na be your carrier of this community, this ghetto, they so now they give order. Tell these women, may they try me first. Tell them, say, I say, may they try me. No, you go see that there. Nonsense. They use how they disturb me, say that I wouldn't hear. If they want me forget to me, say, make I know the fair trap about war. What that Benin Boy, Yoruba, not concern me. I know the fair trap about war. You not concern me, concern.
Amadi Ayago.
Baba.
Amadi, why are you doing this?
Baba, why may Pima be this?
Yes. Amadi, why are you doing this? Why are you joining the enemies to fight against your own community? Amadi, why are you joining my killers to destroy what I have built? Amadi, why are you joining Eze Benafo, a stranger or Riovi, to come and scatter the hood that gave you birth? Kenuna Johun can talk. Amadi, what has come over you? Whatever they have given you, you need to put it out. And Amadi, let me warn you. If you don't change and stop this nonsense of fighting your own people because of a stranger, because of his wealth and greed, Amadi, you will face doom.
But Baba, I know the fair trap. Baba. Okay, now matter. Let me Pima come here just now. My Pima, we don't dance this how many years ago? Wait. Is it Bunafo? Keep my Pima. I said this soon. My enemy is at work. This could be my enemy. So they want to call you my father face. Take come. Make I not fulfill my mission for this girl to us. Soon. Hello, what did happen? Collect the money. Or go they keep mama go better here. Collect the money.
On night they be. I the update be that. You know my Messiah. I dey close to Chief Ezebu for well. So I go careful now all the legislators. I'll give them the necessary information. On night they go step by step. No mistakes.
Smaller! What you go do be say you go put your eye where make the thing no go inside. But one thing I go assure you be say Chief Ezebu na for he go collect some hearts. Ya agbeno rieko. He agbeno keko dey. For this land, all the pain when you don't cause for this ghetto. He head, he body, he go collect them. You know they feel them.
I feel you die. See, I know they like to speak English. I know they like shoe. You know why? Shoe they pay me for my body. And Chief never be shoe me they pay us. You know say when we say night don't reach, grass go change to human being.
No ma.
And you no go feel no black fowl or black goat for inside soup.
Oh wuru.
But it be like this and for my inner chest they tell me say Chief don't price. Anybody pride they go collect.
No ma. Arimata bidasha. But now they be. Talk less, I do more. I shall speak louder than voice. Benin Boyz the yarn. With the verse they will collect her.
Obigbo. Eho nyimiri. We are do akagele. Oh ha me nyama me wona. Esunu.
Now no fear proof. So long as say we dey alive and we dey active. Edo Boyz the best. No man, the red.
See, make I tell you. Too much of cap, you know the food basket now.
Never.
Who will take action? So that we talk action, man.
Man.
Who the matter now?
Don't be like. Talk less and do more.
Benin does it fire. Tell me why me I go look cold. I know be newcomer. He don't tell me for the game.
Black Edo babes.
We have no case to settle.
Black Edo babes.
We have no case to settle.
Black Edo babes.
We have no case to settle.
Like this now, I want make una know say we don't get new suicide in our midst. And from today, our name will be Esosa. As it be like this now, babes, we need to go team up with Edo guys so that we bring down Chief Ezebunafo. Now they get me clear.
Yes.
They get me clear. Now, but don't forget the main target. Oh, the main target now. After we don't bring down Chief Ezebunafo, we go start to break down Edo Boyz one by
after the
one.
other.
Sure you understand?
Yes,
because now we get this time.
Yes, now.
Manya will now.
Now our home.
Yeah, we must see you.
I will get some.
Alright now, where could you go?
I do not believe say I go see you again. No. So down. As I take move come up for that ghetto, I don't believe say I go come back, come meet you again. Maybe it's too sweet.
Even if I don't believe say I'll see you again. I'm so happy. I don't believe I'll see you again.
No waiting, babe. That ghetto no good for you.
Why?
I want me you come up for that ghetto. Like I just want me you leave those Edo babes.
Why?
I not just know why, but my man not the. See, babe, now maybe I'm a deal. As you don't come, so I don't want me you leave my hands. I need to protect you with everything you want to get.
But I'm not feeling this babe now, just like that.
See, I understand. You will think over it. So just sleep over it. But meanwhile, you know they go back there today. Share you they get. Because like this now, I still want another one.
See, Amadi, boys the best. Edo Boyz eyes the red, and they plan Chief downfall. You know as informant when me be, me they gather everything, me they magnet. I also make a call cap you. Edo Boyz the best. On night they be, but no be all to your matter shao. But they say if you know come up body, you go realize say, na you dey. You dey get as they be so. So I just say me I call cap you. As my senior man where you be for the ghetto. Because say me na small boy for the hood. And na my work be this. Say me I call let you know. May you mount your guard. Cause men they vex so.
Castle.
My name be that.
You know what's in it? You know why I like you? Although you pay me say I'm not there around where you grow sharp. But you know why I like you, be say you be correct informant. For this Benin Movie, me no be a dororo. Otedo, ekedo ayahoeme. For this ghetto, now my fellow Benin brothers want use me to shine. Well, thank you for this information. You dey get. But anyhow it be, I tell them before say I know the first tribal war. All those my fellow Benin brothers, if they like, may they take as tribal war. Only man can anything. Now my decision I make. So may they make their own but if they decide to be my enemy, for this ghetto, no who Or we are me woo, or me a woo. Go see that die.
I hear you, boss.
What you do for me now? Anything where they sup, they cap me. Chief go the year. As long say you deal with us, enjoy me a surplus. But inside there before you mat. So man, give you something make you take.
Boss! Ije! Chem! Oh, mo, I think count this one finish so.
You don't need to count now 200,000 there.
Boss, information.
More go the phone.
Boss, information for you.
That's so they mat. Now me they want to share for this year. It's alright.
Amadi.
Chief.
Amadi.
Chief is the gonna for one.
I brought you out of the prison because of your ruggedity. But without that, I brought you to protect my interests. Protect you. I don't like that boy you are working with. I don't seem to know his name. I don't like it. I don't like him. I don't understand what you have to... What is his name,
Chief, you mean Castle.
Oh, Castle.
Chief, you see that boy Castle, you know. Chief, I know say you don't know Benin when I speak. But I mean be say that boy Castle, God bless him with wisdom. That boy is wisdom filled. Chief, you see what in there? That boy they clear me the intake. Says to wait my fellow Edo brothers for this ghetto. They plan. Say man, they plan to eliminate you. Say you come from nowhere, take ghetto for their hand. Say so they want to retaliate back. Want collect ghetto back based on staying at their property. And not feel green. They don't wear IOVC we say IOVia son. I don't know say another fair tribal war. Whether you be Benin or you be Igbo or anything you be. Now my own interest are thereafter. I'm not interested in fighting tribal war, Chief. I'm loyal.
Amadi, they are your brothers. With what you just said now, how do you want me to trust you?
Chief Eze. Edowe. Chief. Edowe. Usomega so hobo. No yan go to it. What I mean is that you see those boys so be them day when they bear my father. My own papa era no gi era ni yayo. Be the day when they send that man go journey of no return. The only man will promise me life. They kill him. Because of that reason, I found myself inside prison. I stay prison. Where my two brothers dey? Vianje. None of them come outside. If not be you, we can save me. I can see the roast, the rot for prison yard today. For that reason, I pledge my loyalty. And not my two brothers, wait pour for your matter. Fia foi. A boy day will cut down and short sleeve. A lawyer chief.
But that's good. You know, I will add extra 200,000 to the salary we agreed.
Chief, respect, sir.
Let's go.
Clear road for the chief. For one. Your carrier of this great ghetto. Respect, sir.
Castle.
Boss.
Sharp. You try. But Castle.
Boss.
I dey smell foul play. Why be like say anything we yarn for this hood? I dey hear am outside.
What's that one no man now? Even the walls get here. 3, the breeze they carry matter. You supposed to... This one not touch anywhere. That one no matter.
Castle, what's getting here?
Yes.
Breeze dey carry information. But you know see the talk say, give what belongs to Caesar. That information na my information. Since breeze don't decide to dey carry and they go as you talk am. Now be say I go soon track that breeze. Make I catch him.
But you supposed to understand the word is spiritual. You supposed this one not be my thing.
So you take this one. You take this one. Make you take it. Later update me for that matter. So Breeze. So now you dey carry my information. Now you be saying now you. Now be my next target.
So Chief, and the way the matter be with that, I will see the plan and I'll tell you so. If you come from different angles, so you just got match your guy day where. You understand? The way the matter, your baby that.
What's your name again?
Kasu.
Why are you telling me this? Because I know you are a Benin man. Sure. And now,
sure.
Why are you betraying your people and giving me this information?
So I'm not a betrayer. Now when money day, now I day. I no get friend, I no get brother. Rabas are my team.
Okay. Fine. I appreciate the information.
Alright.
And I will need more. Okay? Always reach out to me and give me more information. Meanwhile,
Chief.
For transport.
No problem. Thank you very much.
Yeah, you can,
this one many. I appreciate more information.
Yeah.
I can't get to nobody there.
How are you?
Eze. What you come for my day?
No. I was on my own minding my business. You came and you paid me a visit and you left. So I decided to pay you a visit one-on-one.
Eze Bunafo.
So
after you shit for church, after all the hard work you don't commit for this land, you carry your 2 legs inside my den. Me, Asoro. How do you do in where? Eze Bunafo na gently oh. See movement. Old man, I want to play children game. Your man no touch gun. Eze Bunafo. Abo no benuzo benerue. Bena muza gege. Eda muza mimi. Abo no benuzo. Benerue. Eze Bunafo. Enwe ulese. Imakata ma bena muza gege, ria muza mimi. Oga gwipe egwo kwa e. I tell you say basketball no be dwarf game. Person wey chop egg no get business with toothpick. I tell you say old age no be wisdom. You no believe abi. Your mind no go touch ground. Eze! Bena mi sa gege. Ida mi sa